Hello everyone, welcome to Active Education Pro. In this video we are going to solve exercise 2.2 from linear equation in one variable of class 8. In my previous video, in my last exercise, already we have solved exercise 2.1 of this same chapter, linear equation in one variable. In this exercise, these questions are in algebraic equations form. So as possible means in transpose form and inverse form we solve it, which is easy for you, no problem. But in my last video we solved by transpose form. In this video, exercise 2.2, these questions of this exercise are in language, present with language. So here we have to make the questions from this language to algebraic equations and then solve it by transpose method or inverse method. So let's start one by one. The question number 1 is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Means such a number, if you subtract from this number 1 by 2 and then the final subtraction result multiplied with 1 by 2 and you get 1 by 8. Then find the number. In this type of question, first we have to take the number is x. X is the variable. You know, linear equation in one variable means you have to take a one variable which is your answer. What is the number means this is your question to find out the number, and here we have to take this number as x and x is the variable here. So let the number is x. And then as per the question supplied to us, as per the question provided to us by exercise 2.2, here each word of this question are responsible to make the algebraic equations. Okay, such a number, when you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, first subtract 1 by 2 from this number. Here the number is x. Yes, it is a variable, we can subtract it, but algebraic expression means that x minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 subtract from x, and then it is a result because x minus 1 by 2, x is a term, 1 by 2 is another term. Here we can subtract 1 by 2 from x, these are not like terms. So final subtraction result is x minus 1 by 2. Then multiplied with 1 by 2, like a number, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So here multiplied by 1 by 2, and finally you get 1 by 8. And finally if you solve this total, this left side, you get 1 by 8. Means first subtract 1 by 2 and then subtraction result multiplied with 1 by 2, finally you get 1 by 8. So 2x, first solve out the bracket, 2x minus 1 by 2, take the LCM, here 1, 2 is the LCM, then solve 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Then 2x minus 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 is multiplied with 2x minus 1 by 2. In our right side it will divide it. Here divided means transfer, exchange of numerator and denominator. Finally 1 by 2 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. In our right side 2 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator, and finally your answer is 1 by 4. Now 2x minus 1, here 2 is divided the 2x minus 1 means in our right side it will multiply with a constant at right side 1 by 4 into 2 2s are 4, so final result is 1 by 2. Then 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 means this minus 1 when transferred to our right side it will become plus 1. Then 2x and the remaining right side constant is 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 plus 1, and after solving it will become 3 by 2. 2x is equal to 3 by 2. Now this 2 is multiplied with the variables, so when you move this to our right side it will divide the constant, means 1 by 2, and finally Your answer is 3 by 4. Means the number is x is equal to 3 by 4. If you subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4 and finally multiply it with 1 by 2, then you will get 1 by 8. Then check it. For checking is not important when you appear this question in exam, but for your understanding here I check it. If this question gives notice us कि final get the result, get the number and check again कि this number holds true for the question or not, then you check it. But here I check it for your understanding. Our algebraic equation is x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. So here x is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Here 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8, and 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Finally 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. It means LHS is equal to RHS. This is the LHS side and this is RH side. Finally we proved that we found that x is 3 by 4 holds true for these algebraic equations. Okay, then next move to our second question. Question number 2 says that the perimeter of a swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? It means here length is greater than the breadth. It means the pool is like a rectangle. The structure of the pool is a rectangle structure. So length is greater than the breadth. And finally question gives us to find out the length and the breadth of the pool. The length and breadth of the pool. Here look, length is greater than breadth. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Now you have a question. In this question there are two elements to find out, length and breadth. Two elements to find out the value of two elements, length and breadth. Now you have to take which value as x as the variable. Means length is x, otherwise breadth is x. In this type of question, first find out which is the dependent element than to others. Which is the dependent elements to others, means length is dependent to breadth value, otherwise breadth value is dependent to length value. Here look here, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Means if breadth is 2, then twice of breadth is 4, and then 2 meter more means 6, then length is 6 and breadth is 2. Means length, measurement of length is totally depend upon the value of breadth. So here let the breadth is x. Breadth is the independent element, so that we take here breadth is x. And then as per the question given to us, length is twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2 times of breadth means 2x. Then 2 meter more than means plus 2. It is x meter and meter. X is breadth, twice of breadth, and then 2 meter more. So length is 2x plus 2 meter. And then perimeter. Perimeter formula, perimeter 2 into L plus B. You know very well, rectangle of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 2 L 2x plus 2 plus B is x. Then solve it. 2x plus x, 3x plus 2. Then multiply the 2 with each term, 6x plus 4. And finally, in a question given to us that the perimeter of a swimming pool is 154 meter. Means as we considered x is the breadth and length is 2x plus 2, our perimeter finally 6x plus 4. But given to us that 154 is the actual value of this 6x plus 4, which is the perimeter of the swimming pool. Now solve it. 6x is equal to 154 minus 4 is 150. Then x is 150 by 60. 25. Then x is 25. Means here breadth is x and x is 25 meter and length is 2x plus 2, means 2 into 25 plus 2, it is 50 plus 2 is 52. Okay, length is 52 meter and breadth is 50 meter. You can check it by applying the perimeter rule, 2 into L plus B, and value will become 52 plus 25 will become 77, and its result is 154 meter, and this perimeter result is 154 meter, and it is your answer. X is 20, breadth is 25 meter and length is 52 meter. Okay, next move to our third question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4.2 by 15 centimeter. 4.2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Isosceles triangle means these two sides are equal, and here the base is 4 by 3 centimeter. Let equal side is x. Then here is the x and another side is x. Then perimeter means sum of all these three sides, means x plus 4 by 3, it will become 2x plus 4 by 3 centimeter. But in a question gives us to that perimeter, the real value of perimeter is 4.2 by 15 centimeter, which is a mixed fraction. So make it a fraction. 15 for the 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 centimeter. Then here the algebraic equation of this question is 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. Now solve it. As per the question given to us, 2x plus 4 by 3 is 62 by 15. So 2x 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3, it will become 15. 62 minus 20, 42 by 15. Then x is 42 by 15 into 1 by 2. 2 21s are 42. 21 by 15, it will become 7 by 5. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. And finally answer is x is equal to 7 by 5. Again I show you. 2x plus 4 by 3 is 62 by 15. Then plus 4 by 3 will become minus 4 by 3 at our right side. So by taking the LCM of 2 denominator 15, finally answer is 42 by 15. Then here 2x is equal to 42 by 15. So 2 is multiplied with this variable. In our right side it will divided the constant 42 by 15. And finally the result is 7 by 5. Means the isosceles size equal sides is 7 by 5. So your answer is x is equal to 7 5. X is the equal sides. Isoscale has two equal sides. So equal sides length is 7 by 5 centimeter. Units represent as centimeter. So here unit of these sides is centimeter. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video we will solve question number 4 to onwards. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update on my video, and practice at your home for better result. Thank you.